Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find duplicate data into Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to find duplicate data. At first, open your workbook, then go to the home menu. Select the find and select drop down menu and choose the find option. Then we can see here open a find window. Now I am write my find the text. Now I am write some text. Then click the find all option and we can see here show the all duplicate data. We can see here 4 duplicate data. You want to select the all data, click and drag on your mouse. You can delete this data to this option. Click right button and select the delete option, otherwise press delete on your keyboard, then click close. Now you can see we find duplicate data in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.